Journey of a Little Bird. A little bird come out from her warmness. She fly away to the unknown place, met the new friends, and become the best friends. A little bird fly together with her friends, enjoy the journey without feel worry, without feel distress about her new friends, and never think about dangerous cloud. But time changed everything, and now she realized that she was wrong. Her best friends fly away, avoid her, and give her a pain and disappointment. She tried to go back to her nest, but she got more pains from other cruel birds. Then her back full of wounds and her heart full of regrets. Then she remembered about her mother says, "Don't forget to back home after fly around the world." She go back to her nest in a hurry, and in the end, she found her mother become a carcass.